Entrepreneurship is a thrilling ride. It's full of passion, innovation, and the drive to create something great. But let's be real, it's also a balancing act. Long hours, tough decisions, and constant pressure can take a toll. How do you chase your dreams without losing sight of what truly matters? How do you achieve success without sacrificing your well-being? It's about finding your balance. That's where the power of visualization and self-assessment comes in. Two simple yet powerful tools can help you stay grounded and focused on your path: the life wheel and the vision board. The life wheel is like a snapshot of your life, divided into key areas. These areas might include your career, relationships, health, finances, personal growth, and more. You rate your satisfaction in each area on a scale of 1 to 10. This simple exercise provides incredible clarity. You'll see your strengths, the areas where you're thriving. You'll also identify areas that need attention, reminding you to invest your energy wisely. Now, let's talk about your vision board. This is where your dreams take visual form. Find images, quotes, and words that represent your goals and aspirations and put them all together on a board. Want to launch a successful business? Find an image that embodies that success. Dream of traveling the world? Put those destinations on your board. Look at your vision board every day. It'll keep your goals front and center, reminding you of what you're working towards. Creating your life wheel is simple. Draw a circle, divide it into segments representing the areas of your life, and rate your satisfaction in each. Your vision board is your creative space. Use magazines, photos, or even create your own artwork. Make it personal and inspiring. The key is to use these tools regularly. Update your vision board as your goals evolve. Reassess your life wheel every few months to track your progress. Remember, success isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about enjoying the journey. The life wheel and vision board are your companions on this incredible adventure. Use them wisely and unlock your full potential. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics and updates.